Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Special Forces are an elite group of men and women trained to undertake strategic and tactical covert operations. They are often portrayed as legends by Hollywood. Yet in reality, such missions are far from glamorous. Whenever secrecy is essential, it's these units that step forward, equipped with some of the finest aircraft and gear available. U.S. Special Forces, made up of various elite military branches, rely on cutting-edge tools like advanced night vision goggles, suppressed weapons, and lightweight body armor. They deploy on stealth helicopters and high-speed boats, combining technology and rigorous training to deliver unmatched agility and effectiveness across high-risk missions worldwide. Their skill reflects tactical innovation at its finest. Among their most recognized machines of war is the MH-6 Little Bird. Known affectionately as the Killer Egg, this light, multi-purpose helicopter is a staple of U.S. Special Operations Forces. Its compact frame and maneuverability make it ideal for rapid infiltration and extraction. The AH-6 variant is armed with guns and rockets, while the MH-6 is unarmed and used mainly for transport. Operators often ride on external bench seats for fast deployment. Leaving interior space free for cargo or additional passengers. Its stealth and agility make it perfectly suited for covert missions in challenging environments.
Rack it back, let's go! Gun up, shoot it!
During combat, aircraft like the U.S. Marine Corps AH-1W Super Cobra, UH-1Y Venom, and Army AH-6 Little Bird can be called upon to strike specific targets. This coordination is rehearsed during offensive air support exercises, such as the Weapons and Tactics Instructor, WTI, training at Mount Barrow Chocolate Mountain Aerial Gunnery Range in California. In real scenarios, air support can come from multiple platforms, including MQ-9 Reaper RPVs capable of loitering silently before delivering precise strikes wherever Special Forces require them. Heavy bombers like the B-1B Lancer and stealth aircraft can also provide formidable offensive support. At a forward arming and refueling point, or FARP, the AH-6 light attack helicopter quickly refuels to maintain constant operational tempo near the front lines. Ground crews operate with precision, directing the aircraft into position as fuel hoses are connected and systems verified. The process is executed swiftly to minimize exposure in potentially hostile zones. During refueling, ammunition is often replenished as well. allowing the AH-6 to rejoin combat within minutes. Each crew member follows strict safety measures to prevent fire or static discharge, showcasing the teamwork and coordination that keep these nimble helicopters battle-ready under demanding conditions. Agile and responsive best describe the Eurocopter Tiger, a twin-engine, multi-role combat helicopter designed and produced by Airbus Helicopters. This remarkable aircraft was the result of collaboration among Germany, France, and Spain. Based on the Tiger UHT prototype, it is known for its precise handling and ability to perform high-speed turns and evasive maneuvers with exceptional control. Before being deployed to a mission zone, military forces carefully consider factors like distance and accessibility. For long-range transport, the helicopter is usually dismantled into major components for easier packing and shipping. Upon arrival at the destination, these parts are unloaded and delivered to assembly sites, where skilled technicians and engineers stand ready with specialized tools to reassemble the aircraft. Assembly begins with the rotor blades, which are meticulously aligned, balanced, and secured to the rotor hub. Following this, components such as wheels, actuators, and control linkages are installed, ensuring smooth landing gear operation. Finally, specialized radar systems, including ground mapping sensors and the OSIRIS unit, are integrated into the helicopter's avionics suite. Before each flight, the maintenance crew conducts a detailed checklist inspection of all systems and components. This ensures optimal performance and safety during missions and exercises. These thorough checks include external inspections, rotor evaluations, hydraulic assessments, and reviews of avionics and weapon systems. Beyond pre-flight checks, the helicopter's health and reliability are sustained through scheduled hangar maintenance involving tasks like oil changes, filter replacements, rotor balancing, and avionics calibration. Such meticulous care highlights the crucial role of both pilots and maintenance teams in ensuring the helicopter's readiness for any operation. Once inspections are complete, the crew proceeds with the weapons loading process, a critical, step-by-step task that guarantees the helicopter is properly armed for combat. The loading crew gains access to the aircraft's hardpoints and uses specialized tools and trolleys to install weapons according to mission needs. Chosen armaments are secured and connected to the fire control system, linking sensors and actuators with the helicopter's avionics to ensure precise targeting and firing capability. During exercises, the Tiger's full range of flight performance and agility is displayed. Its rapid and stable takeoffs stem from its powerful twin engines, while a low-inertia rotor system provides sharp control, enabling loops and negative G maneuvers. These attributes allow it to operate effectively from tight landing zones or rugged terrain. The Tiger's propulsion system also provides impressive climb rates and speeds of up to 178 miles per hour. Adding to its agility, the Tiger serves as a highly capable weapon platform, able to engage diverse targets using multiple armament configurations. This flexibility makes it suitable for air-to-air combat, close air support, reconnaissance, and anti-tank operations. Equipped with Mistral short-range air-to-air missiles, it can engage enemy helicopters and light aircraft with heat-seeking precision. A 30mm GI-ATM-30 cannon gives it formidable ground attack power, enhanced by laser-guided anti-tank missiles and advanced targeting systems. Another impressive rotorcraft designed for demanding military environments is the AW-159 light attack helicopter. Created by Italian manufacturer Leonardo under the United Kingdom's Future Links program, the AW-159 was developed as a modern successor to earlier Lynx variants. Engineers emphasize survivability, upgraded avionics, and modular mission systems, making it capable of reconnaissance, close air support, and escort duties with equal efficiency. The requirement for modern rotorcraft extended beyond the UK. Italy sought to upgrade its own fleet, replacing aging AB-212 helicopters with more capable utility models suited for short or rugged runways. The AW-159 features a fenestron-shrouded tail rotor that reduces noise and improves safety during shipboard and urban operations, giving it a stealthier and more adaptable presence in complex tactical environments. To complement the AW-159, Leonardo also developed the AW-149, a medium-weight helicopter intended for both military and civilian applications. The AW-149 offers greater cabin capacity and payload for troop transport, logistics, medical evacuation, and search and rescue missions, while retaining flexible systems for mission-specific gear. Together, these aircraft represent a new generation of rotorcraft, adaptable platforms designed to meet the shifting demands of modern warfare. From stealth insertions to rapid refueling and rearming at forward sites, the evolution of modern special operations aviation reflects the fusion of people, technology, and precision processes. What may seem effortless on screen is the result of rigorous training, thorough maintenance, and finely tuned logistics. Agile helicopters like the Little Bird, the versatile Tiger, and Leonardo's latest designs exemplify how adaptability and modular design give commanders an edge across diverse mission profiles. Ultimately, it is the pilots and ground crews who bring these machines to life under extreme pressure. Their discipline and adherence to procedure transform complex aircraft into dependable tools of defense. As threats and missions continue to evolve, so too will the helicopters, tactics, and support systems that ensure special forces remain ready at a moment's notice. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.